Love has a very important place in the How to Train Your Dragon series, or rather emotions. You may have seen the beauty of Hiccup and Astrid's love throughout the series, but this also applies to other characters. You may have noticed that Hiccup's father, Stoick the Vast, wears a helmet. This helmet is actually made of armor, the only thing he has left of his wife after he lost her. Stoick did this so that he would never forget his wife. 20 years later, when he sees her for the first time, he is speechless and immediately takes off his helmet because he no longer needs a helmet to remember his wife, who is right in front of his eyes. It is really admirable that they depict such a love without the characters even having to speak.
You're as beautiful as the day I lost you.
As another detail, in the opening scene of the movie, when the famous DreamWork logo appears, you can see Toothless flying very quickly in the background.